Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Yusuf Malik from Professor Lowai Al Naji's M10B class, and in today's video I'm going to be discussing what a class is and what public is. So a class is actually a user-defined data type or structure that is declared with the keyword class. And class has data and functions. Public. So public is where, anyone could kind of go through your code and see all the syntax and whatnot, whereas in private, we haven't learned much about it, but we kind of discussed it, and we discussed it where you can't really even go nobody who doesn't have access to it can go through and look at your code. So let's take a look at some of the syntax here. This is from my class code. This was the time one. And so you're gonna see right here in public, we're gonna put int h, m, and s, and then void set time, int hh, int mm, int ss, and then we're gonna go to display time right here, and then this is gonna be another void, and it's gonna be add hours, and you're gonna be making all these separately right here, as you can see. So as this carry on, I don't need to say add minutes, void add minutes and stuff. You guys get the point. let's keep going.
Okay.
So right here you can see this is void time. So this right here, what you see, these two colons right here, is taking from right up here, class time. So as you can see, it's all capital T-I-M-E, and it's all capital right here. So it's taking whatever's within here for the hours. Where's hours? Right here, in HH and in H right here from public, and it's adding it to the void time, and right here's the little colons. Forgot what they're called, but they're the colons that allow you to essentially grab from the public, or grab from the class and into this void right here, which is actually completely separate. So different, it's a completely different function. And so this is where h plus equals hh while h is less than 12, h equals h minus 12, and then that's the math for it. And then now we go to void time, and it's going to be the same thing here, except now it involves a little bit more math. Whereas in minutes, how many minutes are in hour? How many seconds are in a minute? My bad, guys. My bad. Okay. It is. How many minutes are in an hour? So you're gonna see right here we have add hours, and m equals m minus 60, and that means that there's gonna be 60 minutes. Obviously, you can see that right there. And m plus equals mm is the same thing as the one before, while m is less than or equal to 60, because it takes 60 minutes to become an hour, and that's add hours 1 right up here. That's for the one above, and then you're gonna do the same thing right down for seconds. S plus equals ss, that's obvious, and then while s is less than or equal to 60. And so practically that's literally the exact same thing as right up here. There's 60 seconds in a minute. So yeah, now we're gonna come down here, and this is where it's gonna display everything, the C out, the H, and everything, and where the numbers will be. As you can see right here, we have this, and this is what this is gonna do. Obviously, it's super obvious, blatantly obvious that that's gonna display the colon on the screen. This is gonna display the hours, obviously, because H is for hours, not for minutes, for hours. So now the M is gonna display minutes, and then the S is gonna explain seconds. And then over here it's gonna set the time, and this is HH, obviously what we had from the class is what we had it from. And then M equals MM, and then S equals SS, and then it comes down here, it goes void main, you got the time, then you got the set time, and this sets the time to 12 p.m. I guess. Nah, that's what it says in the class code. This should display 1204, but that doesn't matter. That really doesn't matter, to be honest with you. But yeah. Yeah, I believe I have my picture right down here at the bottom, actually. Let me bring that up for you guys to pop that up here. Oh, right here. Yeah. You can't really see it, but it's there. The output is there. I can't see it, but there's no way of me getting another picture, obviously. So I really hope you guys enjoyed my explanation for this code. It's pretty simple, honestly. Public is essentially, like I said, something that anyone could get access to, whereas private, you would have to, I believe you have to be part of, you know, making the code to be able to get access to the code. You won't have access to the code without it. Whatever access code they give you, or whatever, you know, whatever they have to do, but you won't have access to it because it's private. Whereas public, it's kind of like you go to a public place, you have access to everything outside, but the moment you go to a private place, you gotta need a card, or you gotta need a PIN number to get into the private place or private property or something. It's literally, honestly, just like that, and if you don't think too hard about it, it'll be pretty simple. But class is actually very simple because it reminds me a lot about structs. So yeah, I mean, you can put multiple functions into it, and that's class, everybody. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys had fun, and I hope you have a good day. Thank you, Professor. Have a good one.